Welcome to India's first labor law compliance portal, developed and hosted by CoIntegra.
This portal enables corporates to be compliant to labor laws as mandated by the Indian government.
It gives visibility to the management team on the level of compliance of their organization. Let us now walk through the portal and its features. This portal is designed to encompass all central and state-specific acts and rules and takes into consideration location-specific compliances for corporates. We'll take a look at the establishment compliance section first. This is broadly divided into 5 categories, namely registers, returns, remittance, abstracts, and communication to authorities. This captures the various compliances an establishment needs to take care of as mandated by the government. Every organization needs to maintain registers like the master roll, wage register, overtime, and many more. These registers are generated by simply uploading the attendance, leave, and salary data dump onto the portal, and the registers are generated branch-wise for the branch team to maintain. The portal has a repository of all abstracts, state-wise, that needs to be displayed in every branch and office of an organization. The portal is also a repository for all returns and remittances submitted by the organization, bifurcated as per act and location. A record of all communication received by authorities can be maintained as also its responses. The status on any such communication is available at any given time to each of the stakeholders. Each of these documents are generated branch-wise. This enables viewing rights allocation to the last mile, that's the branch head. Calendar feature ensures our clients receive alerts well in advance for filing returns, remittances, and responses to authorities. The portal captures all details of licenses and registrations of the organization and links to the calendar that tracks the expiry of licenses or registrations. This ensures timely submissions of applications. The portal generates reports and dashboards with the status of all activities, segregated branch or city or state-wise. The portal brings last-mile visibility, consolidation of labor compliances of the whole organization, savings on time, cost, and man-hours, and increases efficiency overall.